There's just something about being up north. I don't know what it is. It makes me smile. This is a project that I started a while ago. I want to build a driving range. So I'm gonna finish a platform down at the water that I started, and then I'm gonna build some floating targets to shoot at. It should be fun. Look at this. Could you ask for anything nicer? So this is the area that I leveled off a few years back for the platform to go on. I just never got around to it. I'm just gonna clean up this area. Everything still looks good here. These are nice and flat. This is it. The frame is gonna be pretty basic. 4 4x4s sticking out of the concrete deck blocks. The one thing I have to make sure of is that it's level. Have you guys seen those Instagram reels where carpenters take their level and shoot it across the deck to see how level it is? I'm gonna try it. I don't know how else it's gonna go, but I'll give it a shot. Here we go. Ready? It's so level. Don't forget when you are laying deck boards that the smiley face in the grain always goes up. You see, this is what I mean by the grain of the wood. You see how these boards look like they're smiling at you? If you put them the other way, they will be frowning at you. That's what you don't want. You want them smiling at you because when the rain falls on these boards, it's gonna naturally fall off. Wood's gonna last longer. Also, I'm not a big fan of putting gaps in my wood. Some people leave spaces when they build decks. Put a gap. The wood is gonna shrink anyways, so you're gonna get a gap. So I like to keep my boards nice and tight. One thing that I would like to do is add some stair treads just right here. See that? Just so there's a step. Okay, the platform turned out really nice. I'm super happy with it. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab some pool noodles and PVC pipes, just like this. We're gonna make some floating targets. If you buy 10-foot pieces of PVC, they actually fit perfectly over the noodle with a little bit of room for your 90. It's like it was meant for this. Get yourself some floater golf balls. Don't hit regular golf balls into the lake. Don't pollute the lake. Get these floaters. Look at that. You go and pick them up after. Look at that. Here they come. Coming back up. Look at that. It's perfect.